Could you introduce you and your gym?
Yeah, my name is Isaac de la Cruz. I'm a head coach here in Cebu Fighting Ground. And I'd like to invite to try the exercise here in Cebu Fighting Ground.
What martial arts discipline do you currently teach?
Usually I teach boxing, kickboxing, and also cardio.
What is core philosophy of or value of your gym?
Sorry,
Philosophy
philosophy of
of your gym.
philosophy. We teach here like boxing, Muay Thai, and personal one-on-one training for beginners and advanced.
How do you approach coaching beginners compared to aspiring fighters?
We separate the beginners and the advanced. So usually we need time for the beginners, so we need to one-on-one teaching for the beginners. Also, if we have time, also we go teach also for the advanced one-on-one.
Besides physical training, what important lesson do you try to teach your students?
I always talk to my client or the students here in the gym, and do not use your martial arts for the bad attitude or going to bully someone, even you are there in the school.
Can you tell me your best fight
Mm.
experience?
Yeah, so far I have many this fight of my fighting, but I never forgot this fight in Dipolog also with Emmanuel Mugawa, MCF2.
We prepare the NSF promotion for the fighters, especially in Cebu and Visayas. Do you want to join? If you want, you have the vacant schedule.
Yeah, we are looking forward for that event, so I'm willing to attend for that event also with my students and fighters.
As a coach, what kind of fighters do you hope to develop in the future?
I want to build a fighter na always listening to the suggestions of the coach and always follow my lane also.
Hello everyone, so my name is Ralph Binario. I'm 16 years old, so I'm living today in Cebu City, Lapu-Lapu. I'm a fighter in this Cebu Fighting Ground, and my sports is boxing and kickboxing. So about the promotion, I'm happy to be part na dapat may aray rescue team, may aray sakto nga weigh-in, pagkaon ug sa mga safety headgears and handguard. So ako lang ganahan nga sports game nga ma-champion ko. So boxing ra gyud kay ganahan ko makasunod sa kay Mark Pagsayo, para sa Mark Pagsayo sa imong mga galawan. So sa tanan dai nga mga fans, so suportahan ako ninyo og sa ako ang mga dula tawag update ra kamo. So thank you sa inyo tanan sa inyong suporta. That's all.
Nexus Extreme Fighting, Cebu Fighting Ground.